So we're continuing to talk about factoring using a t-table. So now I've got x squared minus 2x minus 24. Go ahead and factor this one.
Okay, so we have our a, b, and c terms again. And so we're going to have a times c and b. And so for our coefficient for a, we have an understood 1. So a times c would be just negative 24. And then b is negative 2. So we're looking for two numbers that both multiply to give you negative 24 and add to negative 2. So negative 8 and 3 multiplies negative 24, adds to negative 5. That's not what we're looking for. But negative 6 and 4 multiplies to give us the negative 24, adds to give us the negative 2. Two numbers that we're going to use. So we're going to take these two, we're going to plug them back into the original in place of the negative 2x. So x squared plus 4x minus 6x minus 24. So we just took the 4x and the negative 6x and plugged it into the negative 2x. So we're going to group now. So we're going to group these two terms and these two terms and look for the greatest common factors of both. So x squared plus 4x, they have an x in common. We're going to factor that out. We're left with x plus 4. Negative 6x minus 24. We're going to factor out a negative 6. And just be aware that in this scenario, the best case is to take out the negative 6 so as to match the parentheses to be able to take out the greatest common factor in the next step. And so we're left with x plus 4. So we have x plus 4 in parentheses in both. So that's our greatest common factor. We're going to factor that out, and we're left with x minus 6 times x plus 4.
Perfect.